guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So today, guys, if you want to watch Netflix and this Chromebook, you can. So that's fixable, guys, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, guys. So show up Netflix, then when you get Netflix, your connection is not private. So what you need to do, I'm just gonna paste a link, okay, guys, and this link is gonna be in the description, okay, guys. They will bring you to just Google Drive thing. Okay, guys, so you just gonna click download. I already downloaded it, so I don't have to download it again. Now you're gonna go to Chrome. Network. Guys, then you're gonna click enter, okay, guys? Then you're gonna scroll up. Then you're gonna scroll up. Then choose file. Then you're gonna see a VPN right here. Then you click open. Then it will say is 1. You go to your time here. Then you see VPN. Then you click this. It's connected, okay, guys? It connected, okay? And show up Netflix. Give it a second, I guess, because my Wi-Fi is a little bit slow today because there's so much people using it, okay, guys? Then you will see you have Netflix, okay, guys? Bye, guys. Let's get to 200 subscribers, okay, guys? Bye, guys. If you want more videos like this.